Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about sensors and oscillators. What it is, a connected sensor can provide temperature, humidity, wind speed, barometric pressure, and soil moisture data. Oscillators are automatically triggered by current conditions. For example, a smart sensor can periodically send soil moisture data to monitor station. The monitor station can then send a signal to an actuator to begin watering, like, like pretty much like when the soil is running out of water, you use the actuator to send a signal to the main monitor station to okay, time to add water to the plant so they can make it grow faster and grow it based on their own speed. Also, like for medical devices, they can implant into a human body to keep track of you. Like if you're moving from one room to within a hospital setting, and you can also use like medical devices like what do you call it? Like nanobots, they can implant it into your bloodstream to destroy bacteria or some kind of infectious disease, and it also can like self-repair. If it was like what do you call it, like the movie Bloodshot with Vin Diesel, where he has nanobots in his body. Every time he gets injured, the nanobots just web like a thread of like skin and fibers in your body to regenerate your skin, and that's the best way. Medical devices, they have like ones that are a pacemaker, insulin pumps. They help you monitor and give you feedback directly with your medical professional or alerts, like when you have something wrong with your body. Let's say they have like ones right now. Some medical devices are like some are over the counter. You can purchase yourself. Pacemakers are from ones like you keep track of like your basic activity when you're running outside. You check your heartbeat, blood pressure, and your blood sugar. Insulin pumps are like ones that are used like on a ventilator to keep track of your vital signs, keep your completely healthy, no problem. Insulin. A human body can produce insulin by itself, but if you're type 2 diabetes or type 1 diabetes, you can't produce insulin very well. So pretty much all you got to do is for type 1 diabetes, they need like one of those diabetic shots, penicillin. They just, but it'll be full with their own insulin, and then you jet it on their stomach, left, right, left, right. Same thing for type 2 diabetes. Or they also can do from the leg, left and right leg, to your abdomen. And next is pretty much before you check your diabetes, you check your blood pressure. There's like many kinds now. The original one is the with the test strip and the little monitor, where you take a sample of your blood, you prick it first, put a blood on that line. You have to follow that line, and then you just stick it into the machine. And they'll just tell you, okay, blood sugar level. Give very low. High, the highest you can go is about 300. Over 300 is like considered dangerous, so you better get about like 120, which is safe, or 150, which is relatively normal for the average person. Alright, I've seen one in one they advertise online, but you need a prescription. You put on your hand, put on your arm, and then all you gotta do is use your smartphone, and it's like strapped on. So it's like painless, no pricking fingers or anything like that. And then just down the mobile app, and it beep, and then it just tell you your glucose level is like good or bad. If it's over, it'll tell you it's warning. Will give you a red flag, a yellow flag, or a green flag. You're good to go. The Korean one is the same as the American one, except their one is a little bit easier. You prick your finger, you have put the test strip on top of the machine, and you just let your blood like slide vertical And then after you receive blood, they say, oh, your blood sugar level is blah blah blah, and it's pretty much easier. And because the American ones, like sometimes if you're not getting that little small line, you can't read it, and it'll give you error 1, 2, 4. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone so they know about how connected devices for smart cars, RFID sensors, and actuators work in medical devices. And I hope to see you guys again next time.